Hi friends, I am Dr. Sakre. Today I am introducing you Yoga, which is developed by me. Yoga is the combination of acupressure points with certain simple yogasana, stretching exercise and massage. It is simple and you can do it anytime, anywhere while treating my patients and teaching the patients certain simple exercise. It is developed in my 20 years experience. So I want to share with you. You may have little or no previous training in acupressure. You have positive attitude and will do your best to focus that positive energy on healing with Yoga. You approach this Yoga with an open mind. You are welcome with new ideas and techniques that may seem strange to you at first. You may have some aches, pains, or general uneasiness, mental or physical disorders. You can treat it natural way by Yoga. It is extremely important to me to teach you that you want to discover yourself. The body has capability of healing itself. Why Yoga? Because it is developed by me. It is newly discovered and proven result oriented. It is risk free. It will improve the health and wealth. Save wealth. Anybody can do it anywhere, anytime. It improves immunity of the lung capacity, removes toxins, drains lymph nodes. It improves peristalsis of intestine. Peristalsis means the movement of the intestine, which is used to for motion, smooth motion. It removes damp heat from the body, removes blockages of the chi energy flow. It increases recovery rate of disease and wounds. It will stimulate your whole body. You will feel energetic and it endorphin hormone releases and relieves pain and stress. Serotonin hormone releases and enhance mood, happiness and sleep quantity and quality. Balance all hormones. Hence benefits for thyroid, diabetes and other male-female hormones. It increases freshness, energetic, self-confidence. After yoga, it improves bright sides when doing eye yoga. It removes dizziness, vertigo. It benefits in psychological and physiological disorders. Benefits in urogenital disorders. It is menses, menopausal symptoms, hair falls, impotence, and all joint problems. Main benefits energetic point, body and mind, every day, anytime, anywhere, feel young and beautiful and good looking. It regulates inner body functions because it regulates the autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system means liver, kidney, hearts. Functions are not in our hand or not in voluntary, but it is due to nerve supply from spine. It will regulate. This yoga you can do at any time, anywhere. Anytime means after dinner, lunch, you can do after or empty stomach or full stomach, you can do. It has personal and social benefits also. You will have opportunity to improve health of the paper. You will have opportunity to solve the health problems of the paper. You have great fame and name with your unique skill of yoga. You can make people to overcome their fear of disease, develop your and others' health and mind. You have healthy, young, and good look, receive special attention and priority everywhere, and can teach Yoga to people. Treat yourself and people with this Yoga and develop your style. You can will be loved, appreciated, respected by the people. There are four main types of the Yoga I have developed. Daily morning practice, organ Yoga means each acupuncture channel have definite line and flow with that acupuncture points of the channel considering the yoga is taken. It is called organ yoga, clinical yoga for each and every disease. Special acupuncture points are considered and it is developed. For example, neurological and brain system, heart and nervous system, cardiovascular system, then ear, deafness, vertigo, gynecological, all gynec problems, all urogenital problems, paralysis, then eye problems, stomach, gallbladder, intestine problems, acidity, psychological, neurological problems, common colds. It is called clinical yoga. Face lifting, yoga, it is considered with acupressure points for face lifting, not a facial exercise or facial yoga. It is with acupressure points. The yoga is developed, that is face lifting yoga. Now, first yoga is massaging ear. You can see here the earlobe complete. Here are more than 200 points. At the bottom, upper body is there, middle body is there, and at the top of the ear, there is lower body. You can take screenshots of this picture, and after that you take simply screenshot and concentrate on the figure or picture of the slide. Why ear is important? Here almost all yang channels comes on the ear or near to the ear or around the ear, and all yang channels related to yin channels. 6 yang channels related to 6 yin channels, hence 12 acupuncture channels related to the ear. Now the nerve supply to the ear. Nervous system, auriculotemporal nerve, lesser occipital nerve, auricular branch of the vagus nerve, greater auricular nerve, auriculotemporal branch of the trigeminal nerve, branches of glossopharyngeal nerve, sympathetic and parasympathetic fibers are on the ear. Blood supply or arteries towards the ear. Branches of the middle meningeal artery, branches of artery of the pterygoid canal, anterior tympanic artery, deep auricular artery, stylomustard branch of posterior auricular artery, auricular branches of superficial auricular artery. Now how to stimulate whole ear, complete ear. You can rub palm on each other to warm up vigorously for 2 to 5 minutes. With both hands, index finger, that is first finger, and other 3 fingers hold the earlobe so that index finger is behind the earlobe as shown in the figure, and other fingers over it hold it gently and move the fingers with hand up and down so that ear should make hot. Do it 3-4 times or half a minute and feel the experience, feel the freshness. Now hold the earlobe in pinch and pull it down. Second, by inserting both hands, index finger, crooked fingers inside the earlobe, ear hole, and pull it down just beneath the finger. There is hard point. It is beneficial for heart. Hold the index finger in front of the earlobe, then, and open the mouth. With open mouth, you feel there is depression. Massage it with open mouth position for 10 to 15 seconds or half minute. You can see the figure here. Take screenshot. I will give you time for screenshot and feel the freshness. You feel it. Do it and feel it. Now next exercise for massaging the nose. You can see here the nose, there are whole body points, microacupuncture system in the sinus. Now contacting both hands fingers, index finger just outside the nostrils, there is LI20 point. From the nostrils to midpoint of both eyebrows, and from there over forehead up to natural hairline, move both hands fingers up and down to make the nose hot. With this, hot air is come from nose and supply to the lungs. This procedure is beneficial in winter season or cloudy season, rainy season, and it is best before out of bed. Now massage to forehead, temporal head, and occipital head. See the position here. Interlace both hands fingers. Keep both thumbs out. You can see here. Interlace both hands fingers and thumbs out like this. Then both hands thumb should touch at the inner end of the eyebrow. That is at the point of UB. Here is, you can say, then both hands thumb slide from eyebrow to middle of the forehead. Then slide the thumb outside. Then slide the thumb outside of the forehead to the temporal, above the ear and back of the ear. And do not open this finger lock. Do this 3 times. Do this 3 times. From here, you can say that there are acupressure points UB2 inner end of the eyebrow, GB14 center of the forehead above the midpoint of the eyebrow, stomach 8 inside the natural hairline, stomach 4, 5, GB 9, 10 and GB 19 and 20. These points are stimulated. With this exercise, it is beneficial in the dizziness, improve eyesight, neck pain, deafness, and dizziness. Now next exercise. You can see here, elbow massage. With right hand, you can do circular massage over the elbow from dorsal side and medial side also. By holding the right hand wrist with left hand, make the circular massage dorsal side and medial side. Now on the wrist and ankle, there are yuan source points where the maximum energy of the channel exists. Means and it is used for chronic disease. These points are used for chronic disease. By massaging the wrist, it is beneficial in psychological disorder, heart disease, asthma, rheumatism of the wrist, and ear disorders. Now next, Massage to the elbow. By holding left hand elbow with right hand, do circular massage, medial and lateral side. By holding right hand elbow with left hand, do circular massage, medial side and lateral side, dorsal side. 3 times. Do it 3 times right now. Release from this massage, release heat from the stomach. It is beneficial for motion. Trimmering of the hand decreases writer cramps and elbow pain. And same way with right hand, massage to the left shoulder, circularly, anterior to posterior side. And with left hand, massage to right shoulder and right hand to left shoulder. Do it 3 times or 4 times. This improves pringling in the hand, frozen shoulder, improve the function of the endocrine glands. Now here you can see this is the meridian massage. All 3 yin meridians on the medial side of the hand are downward. So massage downward direction of the medial side from shoulder to elbow and elbow to wrist and wrist to palm. With right hand, massage medial side downward direction 3 to 4 times. Repeat it. And outside, massage it from opposite side. Dorsal hand to elbow and elbow to shoulder. Inside of the hand, there are 3 channels: lung system, pericardium, and small heart. These 3 channels are middle side of the hand, and dorsal side 3 yang channels: small intestine, triple warmer, and large intestine. So this channel's function is improves. Now let's go to leg. With right hand to the left leg's ankle and with left hand to the right leg's ankle, massage circularly medial side and lateral side 3 to 4 times. This beneficial in urogenital diseases, blood pressure, hair fall problems, menses problem, swelling of ankle, rheumatoid arthritis, and pain of the ankle. Do it and feel it. Now come to knee. With right hand to the left leg's knee, left knee, and with left hand, right knee. Massage circularly, anterior to posterior side. 3 to 4 times massage it. With this massage, knee pain relief, benefits of osteoarthritis, weak legs, genital diseases, skin disorder, hair fall, and irregular menses are the benefits of this massage. Now meridian massage on the leg. On the medial side of the left leg, with right hand, massage from toes to knee and knee to inner thighs up to groin side 3 times. This massage improves 3 yin channels which are upward direction from the leg. These are liver, kidney, and spleen. It improves its function. On the same, anterior side of the leg. Massage from front of the thigh to knee, lateral side, and to up to second toe. Massage this from thigh to toes. This improves the digestion system. Stomach channel goes from front side of the thigh up to second toe. Do it 3 times. Second, with the left hand on the left thigh, lateral side, and right hand with right thigh from the lateral side. From hip joint to knee and knee to ankle up to fourth toe. Massage it from upward to lower direction. From here, gallbladder channel goes. And it improves the gallbladder function. Now, second massage is posterior side of the leg. From there, urinary bladder channel goes from lumbar to ankle, posterior side. From right hand and left hand, from lumbar region to the backside of the knee and above the gastrocnemius muscles or calf muscles, downward to the backside of the lateral malleolus up to little toe. This improves lumbago, pruritus, abdomen pain, sciatica, ascites, and urogenital disorders. Now massage to abdomen in the direction of the intestine. Intestine, from your side, it is anti-clockwise direction. From above the umbilical, left to right to left side, and left to downward side direction, and below the umbilical, left to right side and right to upward direction. This is the procedure can be done in lying position or with bend knee position with exhale breath. Breathe out and hold the breath outside and then massage it. It is beneficial to the intestine movements, intestine parastatals of the intestine, that is movement of the intestine. On the stomach, there are 5-6 channels: conception vessels, anterior midline, kidney channel, stomach channel, spleen channel, liver channel, and gallbladder channels are on the stomach. Therefore, anti-clockwise direction, due to this structure, it benefits constipation, abdominal blockage, anorexia, kidney, urinary bladder function, menstrual problem, and gynecological problem, PCOD, and obesity. Note that this exercise is only done before meal or lunch or empty stomach and not for pregnant woman. Now interlace both hands fingers and pressure in the web. You feel there are extra 28 points of the acupuncture. This procedure releases mental tension and benefits in pringling in the hands and numbness of the fingers. You can do it anytime, anywhere. Now lumbar traction. See here. Sit on the chair or stool. Keep shoulder distance in both feet and big toe and heel should be in line, not outside or inside. And heel of the palm inside the groin region. And press the groin by straightening the elbow. And that time you feel shoulders are going up and hip joint, femur is stretching to downward to the lumbar. And you feel the traction at the lumbar region. And this is helpful in lumbago slip disc, pringling in the legs and lower extremities due to compressed nerve. You can hold it for 3 to 5 seconds and release the elbow and repeat this. You can do it in while driving in the car, while traveling in the ST or railway. You can do it anytime, anywhere for relaxing. Now here, cervical traction. Interlace here, both hands, fingers, and hold it just below the skull or occipital protuberance. Keep both elbows closed like this. Then hold it at here. Grip it, fingers. Slowly move the neck upward direction and stay there few seconds and feel the traction to the neck. And now you can do this with turning the neck right side and left side and feel the traction to left side and right side. This is beneficial in the slip disc, in the protrusion of the disc in cervical spine. And it is also benefits in pringling in the upper extremity, that is in the hand. And you feel the freshness. Now punching to the sacrum. Sit on the chair like this or stool. Keep shoulder level distance between the foot. Clench the fist. Clench the fingers and tighten the fist with left hand or right hand. Punch on the sacrum. There is sacrum foramen. There are 4 points from UB31 to UB34. From these points, nerves goes to urinal and genital points and uterus. For punching this, the nerves are stimulated and it is beneficial in lumbar pain, low back pain, leg pain, urogenital disorders, irregular menses, PCOD. And now last exercise you can see here with both hands, thumb and index finger, by extending like this from sternum, lower of the sternum or center of the nipple, massage it upward direction. There are 5 kidney points lateral side of the sternum or anterior 3 fingers from the anterior front line, midline. And this benefits in asthma, common cold, bronchitis, mastitis, intercostal neuralgia, vomiting, heart disease, and restlessness. Now, other than daily Acu Yoga, there are cosmetic Acu Yoga, clinical Acu Yoga, then channel Acu Yoga, and atlas of the Acu Yoga is there. Acupressure atlas of in this book that is written by May, and the logo is forget doctor, become doctor, treat yourself. This book help us to reorient our thinking in order to see, feel, experience the energetic field of our body and mind, thereby recasting our physical and psychological problem in terms of blockage of the chi flow. Acu Yoga is the combination of the pressure and the yoga, is described in detail with figures. Daily self acupressure practice, acuyoga, self acupressure for different diseases are described in brief with figures for looking young, beautiful face and natural face lifting. More than 60 facial acupressures and facial yogas are described in detail with uh, other health benefits, including detailed figures and pictures. Atlas of the acupressure can be used for acupressure, laser therapy, acupuncture for different disorders. This is only book in Marathi and English in simple language. Anybody can read it or understand it with the picture. In this book, Daily Yoga, there are 30 yogas. Just now you can see, you have experienced and done it. Organ Yoga, there are 14 channels in the acupuncture that separate organ yoga is there. Clinical Acu Yoga, there are 9 branches of the disorder or branches of the medical fields. Clinical Acu Yoga is there. For example, brain and nervous system, heart and cardiovascular system, respiratory tract system, then skin, cosmetic, then gynecologics and obstetrics, bones, and muscles, motor motor disorders problems, locomotor disorders problems, and there are 51 Yoga for the cosmetic Yoga and 29 pages for almost all disease disorders. And this is lifetime investment to you and your family's health, wealth, beauty, fitness, knowledge, and free delivery to all India. Just 600 rupees. You will get never single information on Google or YouTube channel. This is my experience and my invention have no value. You cannot calculate value in price. Just 600 rupees. You can Google Pay me or WhatsApp Pay. I will send you bank details. You can transfer just 600 rupees right now. Thank you.